backgrounds of YouTube, like the cover photos, of course. On YouTube we call them banners. So just like I told you the other time, last time we learned about how to create a YouTube channel. Don't forget to check in this description, a link in there if you don't know how to create it. So let's just get into the way how we can create these stuffs which you are going to learn. So all you need to do, internet connection, have it, and then you need the YouTube app. So I'm entering into a YouTube. We are using another email, of course. This is not my personal email. This is I use it for tutorials. So for tutorials, okay. So this is the video which you're seeing there with Scott Tech having of course, okay. Then all you need to do is to go back to where we created the channel. So you check in the previous. So now you click my channel, then after you click settings. Okay, so what you see here, here, okay, here there's a camera icon, so you can tap it. Then you choose from gallery. Okay, now this is one of the major problem which affects people, because YouTube wants clip arts with in the dimensions of around 2150 plus to 1011 dimensions, so optional dimensions. So but you can select any, but it should be of high resolution. So today we are going to have selected this one. Just for the case of this video, you are going to use this. Okay, so hold on. So you can choose where you see it can work for you. So me, I'm going to position it. I'm just going to reduce it to zoom it like this. Then we select save. Okay, that is for the banner. So you have to hold on as you're waiting for it to be put there, so you can click the subscription button as well the bell icon, so that whenever I upload new videos, you'll be notified and you'll be the first to know, just like our theme goes. So you'll be the first to know always. Yeah, there we go. Our clip art is already successfully uploaded, so it's there in the background. So that image can be you. You can put a banner where you are, your image, and then your social media links and so on. Then we have the icon. So now the other step, you have to put the icon. This is what people see. Okay, then you click again that camera there. So on here you can put your photo, you can put your logo. So but I'm going to put my logo. Okay, I'm going to put my logo, the one I use. Okay, so this is my logo. It is in alpha mode. So that, so this is how it is, but I just made the wrong dimensions, but you can make good dimensions over there. So you can select any image. It can be your photo, you can change. Okay, you can change to any photo you want. So that's it, my friends. Today, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Our settings are done. We have made so this is what people will be seeing on your channel. Okay, they'll be seeing your logo and then your banner. So thanks for viewing. Don't forget to click the subscription button. We meet in the next video. Thank you.